Let's say you got a video idea, but you haven't finished it yet. Maybe there's footage sitting in a folder. Maybe you never hit record because the script wasn't there, or maybe you did record something, but watching it back felt kind of painful. Here's the thing, video is hard when you're trying to figure it out alone. That's where we come in. Most businesses need video, especially nowadays. But the moment someone says, hey, we should make a video, everything stalls. There's no script, there's no editing plan, maybe no one feels confident on camera, so it gets delayed or something rushed gets posted really quick and it doesn't really reflect the quality of your brand. You don't need to force it. You need someone to shape it into something that actually works for you. At Greenlight Studio, we'll take whatever stage you're at and turn it into a professional, high-impact video. Already filmed something? Great, we'll edit it, clean it up, and design a custom thumbnail that actually gets clicked. Not sure what to say? We'll help you write the script. We'll coach your team or provide someone to speak on your behalf. Do you hate being on camera? No problem. We've used voiceovers, screen recordings, and all kinds of creative workarounds that still look polished and human. You don't need to handle all the moving parts. You just need the right pieces, and we'll handle the rest. Let's finally get your video done and done right. Shoot me a message, and we'll take it from there.